Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to disable Roblox desktop app. In order to disable Roblox PC app, you would have to go into the C file. Once you're in the C file, go to Program Files. Now there are two Program Files folder. Open the first one. Now try to find the Roblox folder here. If the Roblox folder is not here, go back. Now go to the other program files folder. And here you go. You have found the Roblox folder. Now open the Roblox folder. And here you will be able to see the versions folder. Now once you open the versions folder, you will see the Roblox beta. You would have to delete that beta in order to disable Roblox. And Roblox would be disabled. Easy, right? Don't forget to subscribe.